The ever-mutating COVID-19 virus has raised concerns from the Saint Lucia Labor Party. Vieux-Fort North MP Moses Gov'T has a slew of questions on the heels of a recently held Ministry of Health briefing that provided an update on the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic in Saint Lucia.
We have recently received confirmation of an additional 7 cases of the UK variant. Right now we are unable to share with the public as to their location, whether they were tourists, because the results comes in from the lab as coded, and so we need to work with the lab to get the identities of the individuals so that we can decipher whether they were nationals or visitors to the island.
Gov'T has called on the administration to provide full disclosure on the UK variant in Saint Lucia.
This comes 5 months after the announcement by the Chief Medical Officer in January that 5 cases of the UK variant of the COVID-19 had been detected in Saint Lucia. And after repeated calls by the Saint Lucia Labor Party during that period in Parliament and in public statements for the government to tell the people of Saint Lucia the truth about the presence of the UK variant here in Saint Lucia.
The UK variant is more transmissible. However, it is not known to cause a more severe form of the virus. Gov'T reiterates calls by the Saint Lucia Labor Party for clarity and transparency on the variants present on island.
The people of Saint Lucia need to know the following. 1. How many cases of the UK variant of the COVID-19 virus have been detected in Saint Lucia since the initial 5 cases in December 2020? 2. When were the additional 7 cases detected? 3. How many of those additional 7 cases were nationals and how many were non-nationals? If there are non-nationals, what are their countries of origin? 4. If non-nationals are among those that have been detected with the new UK variant, what measures have the government put in place to strengthen surveillance and detection of such cases at our borders, since the Chief Medical Officer confirmed at the very same press conference that international tourism markets are the highest source of the virus for Saint Lucia?
The MP also questioned whether there is correlation between the current spike in the COVID-19 cases and the new UK variant.
And 7 is the CMO's prognosis of a 4th wave of the COVID-19 virus in Saint Lucia due to the increased presence of the UK variant in the country. The Saint Lucia Labor Party expects that the government will do its duty to the people of Saint Lucia and will urgently furnish Saint Lucians with these long overdue answers.
The UK variant mutation of the COVID-19 virus is one of many transformations the virus has undergone since its emergence in humans in late 2019. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.